Every adventure has a beginning, and this one is no exception. Here, Anthony and I are arriving at Cabrillo Beach, meeting up with our friend Eric for a day of offshore kayak fishing. We ended up spending over 6 hours on the water and paddling just over 16 very long miles. It was both epic and exhausting. All right, boys, Cabrillo Beach. Water temperature a nice 73 degrees, a little bit of surf, but it's all shore break. Should be okay. We got 3 guys today. We got Anthony and the Stealth Fisher 500, me and my Stealth Fisher 555, and we got Eric in a late model Hobie Outback. And we are gonna get with it now and get her done. Okay, here we go. We got Eric going for the launch. So far, so good. Okay, he's off. There we go. A couple strokes and he's past the shore break. There we go. He is home free. Hey guys, what is happening? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another exciting episode of Lost Horizon Fishing. Well, today we're in a different location, launched off of Cabrillo Beach, and we're going to paddle all the way out to Horseshoe Kelp. Could be brutal. It's supposed to be 95 today. We'll see how that goes. Water temperature's in the 70s. Anything's possible today. Got Anthony with me. He's over there, and we got Eric back over there. Hopefully between the 3 of us, we're gonna catch something good. Well, the goal for this morning is try to find some live bait. We don't need a bunch. I got 5 or 6 greenback mackerel, I'll be happy. And then paddle 4.5 miles or so offshore to Horseshoe Kelp. And of course, we'll troll all the way out there. But that's the plan for today. Hopefully that'll result in some fish. We'll see how that goes. Well guys, Eric just hooked up a shark out here. Now, did you say it looked like a mako?
100% mako.
Oh yeah, mako shark. What size would you say it was?
Maybe 6 foot.
Oh nice, that'd give you a fight.
Woo! Holy crap, that was awesome.
Oh, that's crazy. Who knows, that might encourage me to keep my feet out of the water a little more.
Yeah.
Well, using my sabiki, it's something grounded that's probably a small calico or a sand bass here. It's actually a pretty decent sized calico. Well, he's not, I guess he's not that decent. Guy's barely hooked. There we go, get him back in the water. I guess we could call him first fish of the morning. Oh man, another sabiki fish. Man, all I want is a couple pieces of bait, but it's not happening. Oh, I got one. Are you kidding me? He must have been like right on the surface. One's better than none. Oh man, it is beautiful out here now. Wind is laid down. Probably about, I don't know, three and a half miles offshore. Anthony's up ahead. Horseshoe Kelp's probably another mile up ahead. The only bit of excitement we've had so far is that Eric hooked up a Mako, about a 6-footer that jumped out of the water a couple times. But other than that, I've just got those two sabiki calicos, right? So I'm a loser here so far. But hey, the morning is young. Spend some time offshore here. Maybe get lucky. But yeah, I'd love to have something hit that shallow diver Nomad and rip some drag off here. There we go. Got ourselves a hook bait fish. Looks like it might be a halfway decent fish. Could be a barracuda. There are definitely barracuda roaming around here. Eric's got a couple of them. Yeah, got one. Oh, really nice fish. Big old sand bass. Nice. That guy's a monster. Woo! Take that guy. Oh yeah, boys, look at that, huh? Woohoo! Nice, good sized fish. Definitely a legal sized guy. All right, let's get this bad boy back in the water. Beautiful fish. Let's throw that in again, see if lightning strikes twice. That was a beauty of a sand bass. Not a personal best, but definitely a good one. Yeah, we are about almost exactly 5 miles offshore right now. Plenty of life on the bottom. There we go. Another hookup bait fish. This one doesn't feel as big as the other one, but still a fish is a fish. Definitely doing a better job out here than at Iser's Reef a couple of weeks back. There we go. What do we got here? Ah, calico. Not a bad calico. There you go. Let's get him back in the water. Woo! Ah, got another hookup bait fish here. Feels kind of like a halfway decent fish. I say that a lot. Oh, it's a pretty nice barracuda actually. go. Not a bad fish. Oh, okay. Goodbye, buddy. Oh, gave me a little splash there just for the heck of it. All right. Woohoo! Barracuda. Let's check in with Anthony and watch him reel in his catch of the day.
I was trolling. I stopped to pick up an orange that was floating. Thought it was a balloon, and I put it back in the water, started moving again, and the nomad got smoked. So I'm thinking it's a sand bass because this is what happened the last time. Here he goes. Oh man, whatever it is, it's hefty. How's that for a calico? Oh, Sandy, what is it? Oh, it was big. How's that? I might take that guy.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, I might take that guy. I wasn't planning on taking any fish, but we'll see. I got pictures and videos of them, so. A nice calico. I might take that guy. He's pretty big. What do you think?
Oh, he's definitely big size.
Yeah, maybe I'll take that guy. He's pretty good, man. He came up and ate that thing in about 80, 90 feet of water.
All right, we are paddling our way back to the launch, and it is a long paddle, probably 5 to 6 miles. Definitely going to rack up some serious mileage today. Good exercise for sure. Not a lot of fish, but caught a few fish out there.
Back there, a few hundred yards.
Oh, yeah, I see him. I didn't want to desert the boy.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't leave him either.
Yeah, we're actually making more miles an hour than I thought we would. It's time for this episode to come to an end. Special thanks to my good friends Anthony and Eric for their video contributions to this episode. And hey guys, if you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you know when the next Lost Horizon fishing videos are released. And as always, we will see you out on the water.